everyone. Myself Tabassum. We are from Government Degree College LRT. Our topic is about soil erosion causes and effects on environment. Our guide is Godavari ma'am from Botany Department. Aim: soil erosion causes and effects on environment. Introduction. Soil is one of the most valuable natural resource. Without soil, there is no life on the earth. Soil gives us many things: food, medicines, etc. 95% of the plants grow on soil. Present situation of the soil is 75 million tons of the soil is lost due to erosion. In India, 5,334 million tons of the soil is lost due to erosion. To form 1 centimeter of soil, it takes nearly 8 to 10 years. Soil erosion. It is the process by which the top soil is washed away or taken away by the wind or the
Objective. Soil erosion types. Second objective. Soil erosion effects on environment. Third objective. Soil erosion prevention methods. Thank you.
Myself Muhammad Hashim Ali Zahid. Here two types of soil erosion is there. First is water erosion and second one is wind erosion. Water erosion, there are 5 types in water erosion. First type is sheet erosion and second one type is rill erosion and third one type is gully erosion and fourth one type is ravine erosion and fifth one type is landslide erosion. Here first type sheet erosion means the thin layer of a soil which can be removed from the action of water or due to the wind, and the soil is removed from one place to another place. And second one type is rill erosion. In rill erosion, due to the action of water, up to 0.3 meters the soil is removed from one place to another place. And third one type is gully erosion. In gully erosion, it is the most powerful than the rill erosion. In gully erosion, more than the 0.3 meters, the surface of the soil becomes depth due to the action of water or rain. And fourth one type is ravine erosion. Ravine erosion is powerful than the gully erosion. In ravine erosion, the highest movement of water or strong movement of water takes place in forest. From the soil is moved from one place to another place due to the water. And fifth one type is landslide erosion. In landslide erosion, in the mountains the land is slide from upper surface to lower surface through the rain or water. And the factors that are influenced in the soil erosion, there are 3 types. First one, rainfall, and second one, vegetation, and third one is topography. The certain human activities also expose the soil erosion. Thank you.
Myself Bhavana. Wind erosion. It is a process of detachment, transportation and decomposition of soil particles by wind. Saltation erosion. In saltation erosion, soil particles jump up vertically into air and rise to a height of 30 to 60 cm. Surface creep erosion. In surface creep erosion, soil particles are rolled over a surface. Suspension erosion. In suspension erosion, fine dust particles of soil float in the air. Soil erosion effects. The effects of soil erosion go beyond the loss of fertile land. It has led to increased pollution and sedimentation in streams and rivers, clogging these waterways and causing declines in fish and all species. And degraded lands are also often less able to hold on water. Soil erosion affects climate change. Thank you.
Vamshi. My topic is soil erosion prevention of methods. Adopt tillage practices, planting a cover crop, forest protection, shifting cultivation, maintenance of soil fertility.
Research methodology. Field visit of different villages, particularly LRT Mandal district, Kamareddy. Conclusion. Soil erosion remains a key challenge for agriculture in all countries. Soil conservation is about solving the problems of land degradation, particularly soil erosion. Soil conservation particles like crop rotation, reduction, tillage, cross-slope forming are used to prevent soil degradation and build organic matter.